tasking. I'm going to wait till I get radio comm with, just so I can give first tasking when he's on the radio.
Python 01, Cobra 01.
And Python 01 has you 5x5 Cobra.
Python Cobra has you 5x5 as well. Standby, check in, break. Cobra 01 is 1 by MQ9, position MRR1, flight level 210. 1 by MQ9 carrying 8 by Romeo 2s, rapid fusing. We have 2.5 hours time on station. We have a targeting pod, laser spot tracker, infrared marker, video downlink, digital capabilities. Of course, support set clear, and our loss link is going to be the Reaper standard.
And Cobra 01, I copy all. You're cleared in to MMR1 at flight level 210. Giving you 207, Mike Charlie 2, 208, Mike Charlie 1, flight level 210, call when established.
Reaper 01, copy.
01. I have Hog 11, established 208, Mike Charlie 2, 208, Mike Delta 4, 16, block 18. Copy. And Hog 11, Python, say when ready, tasking. And for Python 01, that is correct.
For copy, Hog additional airspace.
And the Hog 11 from Python, I will pass you 1 Alpha Oscar 3. It's a large comm building with a antenna and dish on top. Say when ready, grids. Grid's going to be as follows: 18 Tango Victor Papa 096 254, elevation 387. You're cleared to target at tasking. Python copies.
Python Cobra 01, request elevate from 210 to 220, same airspace.
And Python copies, you're approved, elevate 220.
Cobra 01, leaving flight level 210 for 220.
And Cobra, this is Python. I have a mobile target right now. I'd like to pass you if able.
01, establish flight level 220, go ahead and send it.
And Cobra 01, I've got a mobile fast boat, 18 Tango, uniform Papa, 93078-19184. It is a 1 by fast boat, but appears to be traveling eastbound.
Python Cobra copies, 18 Tango, uniform Papa, 93078-19184, track east, fast boat.
And Cobra, from my sensor, if you go to SWIR, best angle is Lin 2.0.
Python Cobra, we're currently Popeye.
And Cobra from Python, copy. And Cobra from Python, we'll drop that tasking, and I'll have you first tasking investigate Oscar 2. Call back in 15 minutes for any priorities 2s, 3s, or 4s. Report back any priority 1s immediately.
Cobra copies, investigate Oscar 2. Report back 15 minutes, 2s, 3s, and 4s. Immediately, priority 1s.
That's a good copy.
Python, Cobra.
And go for Python.
Python, Cobra. We're getting into a little bit of weather down here to the south. We're going to have to maintain the western side of 207 Mike Charlie 2 for real-world weather. And we may have to push up north to 8 Mike Delta 4.
And Cobra 01, due to effects, your top of the stack. You're clear to investigate any area with open weather. Report back any findings 15 Mike.
Cobra, Wilco. And Python Cobra, confirm for your last guidance that we've got all the airspace flight level 220 as needed for weather.
And Cobra 01, confirm you have all airspace inside of the SCAR working airspace, flight level 220, and report back any findings.
Cobra, Wilco.
Hog 11, go with BDA. And Python copies. Next tasking, it'll be a target tasking 4 Alpha Oscar 5. It's going to be 20 plus covered boats in a marina. 18 Tango, Victor Papa, 051378, elevation 253. You're cleared to target. And Hog 11, you're cleared surface 180.
15-minute roll-up.
And go for Python.
Python, Cobra 01. We found 1 by priority 2, port structure in NAI 2, and 4 by priority 4, BOAT. They're all labeled, per the label convention, 4 Alpha through 4 Delta. We're going to drop the point in there for that priority 2 momentarily.
And from Python 01, does that priority 2 encompass the 4 by boats?
Python, the 4 by boats are in the vicinity. The priority 2 is just labeled a port ingress, egress. I don't have like an actual target structure for it. We can see if Intel can assess this Pentagon-shaped structure underneath our crosshairs.
And Cobra 01, you're clear to target 4 Charlie Oscar 2, 2 by boats. Call back with BDA weapons suspended.
Cobra 01 copies, target 4 Charlie 02, call back with BDA, Wilco. And Python, Cobra, 1 April.
Cobra Python.
Python, Cobra, those 2 by boats, 4 Charlie, they are currently dry on the dock right now. No activity associated with them.
And Python copies. Do you have a possible boat in the water inside that port?
Python, Cobra, affirm. It looks like 4 Delta, 4 Bravo, and 4 Alpha, all 02s, are all 1 by boats. 4 Delta being probably the most prominent one in the water.
And Cobra 01, copy. I have your feed up. 4 Delta, Oscar 2, 1 by boat under your crosshairs. You are clear to target that boat. Call back BDA, weapons suspended.
Target 4 Delta, Cobra 01. We'll call back. Python, Cobra 01. We have some infrastructure in the area within the CD-80 for this Hellfire. It all appears to be associated with the port, however.
And from Python 01, it is all combined and associated within the naval port. You are cleared to target.
Cobra 01, copy all. Python 01, Cobra 01 with BDA.
And Cobra, go ahead.
Python Cobra, target 4 Delta 02, destroyed. We got smoke and fire coming out of the bridge. 1 Hellfire expended, time 18 at 27 Zulu.
Python 01 copies all. And Cobra 01, do you have any other targets under there? If not, I'd like to move you out of the area, give you new tasking, and bring in Hog when he clears up in this tasking for that 15 by armor you have.
Python Cobra, we have targets 4 Alpha and 4 Bravo 02 in the same vicinity, but if you have a higher triple priority, we can push.
Go with BA. Hog 11, I copy that. I'd like to move you over to airspace 207, Mike Charlie 2, 208, Mike Charlie 1, 16, block 18, and pass you 4 Alpha Oscar 2, 15 by armor. Stand by, stay one ready, guys. And Hog 11, goods to fall 18 Tango, uniform Papa 784135, elevation 256, 15 by pieces of armor. Call when established. And call back with BDA and weapons suspended. Python copies.
Cobra 01 from Python 01.
Go for Cobra.
Be a target task, okay? 3 Charlie Oscar 3, 1 by com tower, 18 Tango Victor Papa 087-236 and 3889 feet.
Cobra 01 copies 3 Charlie Oscar 3, 1 by com tower 18 Tango Victor Papa 087-236, 3889 feet.
389 feet, A firm.
Correction, 389 feet.
And Cobra 01 from Python. Sorry about that. We'll be moving you to 208 Mike Delta 4, flight level 220 is your new airspace. Call when established. Keep all effects inside that airspace.
Cobra 01 established. New airspace 208 Mike Delta 4. We'll report established and keep all effects.
And Hog 11 approved surface to 180. And Cobra 01, this is Python 01. I'm going to need to pass you the SCAR roll. I'm going to have to bingo out for maintenance issues. Say when ready. SCAR handover.
Python Cobra copies, standby 1.
And Hog 11, go with BDA for 4 Alpha Oscar 2. And Hog 11, copy, all armor is destroyed. You're cleared to exit MMR 2, 16, block 18. Thank you for the work.
Python Cobra 01, ready for SCAR handover.
And Cobra 01, will be exiting out MMR 2, 190. Hog 11 will be exiting out MMR 2, 16, block 18. You will be the only player in the airspace at this time. I leave you 1 by priority 1, 1 Alpha Oscar 4, 3 by aircraft. Per Cavic channel will be all priority 2s and 3s remaining.
Cobra 01 copies. You and Hog are RTB 190 and 16 block 18, respectively 1 by priority, 1 Alpha, 3 by aircraft remaining.
And Cobra 01, that's a good copy. And that priority 1 is in Oscar 4, 18 Tango Victor Papa 096 254 387 feet. Have a good day. You are now the SCAR.
Cobra 01 copies all. I am the SCAR. Break.